Intuitive living is a sort of hot topic at the moment because it's not just about health and well-being, about the food that we eat and the way that we look after ourselves. It's about actually intuitive living. It's about understanding yourself, about understanding your relationship with your family and with your neighbours and community. But it's about as well understanding a way that a house can respond to the way that you live. And making that house respond, you actually need some tech in the background. The system that we use is by a company called Wonderwall. It has artificial intelligence built into it. And what it will do is it will begin to understand the way that you actually live in your house. If you imagine that your house begins to understand that you get up at 6:15 in the morning, the house needs to be warm, and it also might know that on a Thursday you get up earlier, and so it will actually change the way that it does things specifically for that day. There are other elements of technology that we incorporate into our houses that in actual fact can make life easier for you. Our Parcel Box, which is integrated into our porch. It's actually an app-based system, so a delivery driver turns up, presses the button, it lets you know there's a delivery driver at your door that wants to drop off a parcel. You allow access to that parcel box, they close the door, and it's sealed. On our larger houses, we actually incorporate a very large garden store. It's a substantial garden store. It's 3 meters by 2.5. We put power in there. We can connect the internet into it. So if you wanted to convert that garden store into a home office, you do have that flexibility built in. We incorporate some renewable technology, very energy efficient. It's high on sustainability. It's something that actually nobody can even see. It's hidden in our buildings. It's maintenance free. It's called wastewater heat recovery. And basically what it does is it takes heat out of the water that you would ordinarily let run down into a drain, takes the heat out of there and preheats cold water that's coming into the building that goes into the boiler. So instead of a boiler having to heat cold water to make it hot for your shower or your bath, the water is already preheated and therefore it uses less gas, and it means that we have actually created a benefit in terms of sustainability.